Hey, little diamonds, welcome back to our show. We talk about tools to help you learn and grow. Shout out to Miss Phelps' class at Prickly Pear Elementary, Montana. Thanks for watching. Your thought of the week was, kindness costs nothing, but it means everything. Friends are there for you in good times and bad. They laugh when you're happy and help when you're sad. Making a new friend can seem hard to do, but when you join in, they'll get to know you. Join in a sport or a club after school. Join into something that you think is cool. You will meet new kids who like what you do, and they'll be happy that they met you. Now listen closely. What kind of things do you like to do? Thanks for watching, and remember, feelings are a big deal, but they come and they go. Bullies are real, but we can say no. It's up to us to make a choice. It's up to you to find your voice. Peace out, little diamonds. The rest is still unwritten. I hope you have a fantastic weekend.